Miss Independent, you shine, Miss Independent.
Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her, something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got it, no doubt. There's something about her, 'cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she about to pay your mom. And the bills are paid on time.
Yeah.
Made for a boss, only a boss. Hey baby, she gonna never get off. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got
What's happening, my people? What's happening? Just adjust this camera real quick. So we're here for live stream, New York live stream. Let me know what the audio levels are like. Can you hear me clearly? Hopefully the background music's not too loud as well. But yeah, we're looking to start the week strong. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. What's on the agenda today? Well, we're going to look at BTC this week, since it has been coming down. And we're also going to look at gold. I did have a buy set up for gold in the morning, but to be honest, guys, I didn't take it. But for this afternoon, we'll take a look at gold and see if we can grab something. But gold's not too bad. We could get something for gold, you know. Like at the moment, gold's playing inside or played inside this 4-hour balance just ever so slightly. So if we're gonna work ourselves higher, you know, I wonder if we can potentially get a test and then a potential continuation. You know, we can maybe look around 2660 and we can go from there. But if you're watching this video, drop a like on the video. As always, guys, you know what it is. So yeah, we're gonna do 2 live streams this week. Well, today we're gonna do one now and one later for FOMC. You know, the only thing is I'm a little bit, you know, concerned that we're only gonna get a move later on today, right? Because look, even CB consumer confidence is at 3, so that's about 1 hour 45 minutes away. And then we got new home sales as well. So there's events, but they're a little bit later on today. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Let me know. Let's have a conversation inside of the chat box. Say hello. Who have we got in this live stream right now? Whilst you're here, drop a like on the live. Don't be shy, introduce yourself. Come say hello. Alright. The dollar keeps dropping, then there's a good chance we're gonna get majors continue to push. E's taking our Monday's high. Okay. I see what's going on here. We got Loyal in the chat. What's happening, my bro? How you doing? You good? Welcome, welcome, welcome. What's happening, Loyal? You must be new to the live stream. Introduce yourself. Let everyone know what's your favorite pair to trade, my bro. What pair are you looking at currently, if you're in any trades? Loyal says in the chat box, all good, bro. How about you? Yeah, I'm blessed, my bro. You know what I mean? Another day, you know, all of us has woken up. We need to be grateful, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're going to be grateful and look for a potential move today. Even though the price action for gold at the moment is not the best. Facts, I'm just learning at the moment. Okay, cool. No problem, my bro. Well, look, if you got any questions, let me know. If I'm on the live stream with you, if you got any questions or whatnot I'm talking about, you can just ask me a question anytime, my bro. Money Day gift. We got Z, J Money. Wow, go on, Z. Z Million the cut. What's happening, guys? What's happening, Z? Guys, go subscribe to Z, yeah? You enjoy Z's content. He posts a lot of vlogs. Gift says in the chat box, gold moving bipolar. Tell me about it, bro. Tell me about it. Little trivia from you guys as well, or for you guys, shall I say, is Z did in fact make my my thumbnail for the YouTube live stream. So every time you see that thumbnail, that's Z's work for you guys. So big up Z. But yeah, if you're inside the live stream right now, drop a like on the live, guys. Drop a like on the live whilst you're here. Gift says gold is moving bipolar, but don't worry, bro. We'll find something. We'll find something. We'll find something. Even though gold is, you know, doing its own thing, but we'll find something today. I'm sure of it. You know. Okay, so key important details, right? So at the moment, let's just remember that market is just not the best right now in terms of the current price action that we're getting. So we had a gap on market open, okay? So when the rollover from Friday to Sunday or late Sunday / Monday, look at that gap, right? We also had another gap on Monday's rollover to Tuesday. We also had another gap. I know you can't see there, but if I go to like the DXY, you can see Friday to Sunday's gap, and you can also see Monday to Tuesday's gap, okay? So there's just been a lot of gaps all over the place. So the current conditions that we're trading in, it might be a little bit tricky, okay? But if we stick to the basics and we look at market structure, we look at where's the liquidity, we are going to find an entry somewhere, okay? Now, so far, like I said to you guys, we have taken out yesterday's daily high, okay? And we're getting a very nice rejection to the downside. So, you know, potentially we might look at this as a, you know, sell opportunity, but let's just wait, as I do want to see the dollar continue to drop lower. As I said to you guys in the pre-market analysis open video, if you guys haven't watched that, the link to that is inside of my free Telegram. Link to the free Telegrams in the description box down below. It's completely free. You guys can join. Post a lot more content inside of there as well. So, as I was saying, on the weekly perspective, I think we can actually drop beneath last week's low, or last week's start on Monday 18th of November. I definitely think we can get below that. So the real question is when, right? Now, as you guys all know, right, the economic calendar or these market events, they're used as a catalyst to actually drive prices in the markets to certain price points, okay? Now, when we look at it today, we've got FOMC meetings, and that's very big. Do you know what I mean? So let's see how that plays out tonight. And then tomorrow we've got CPI for the dollars. Wow, there's a lot of high impact news for the dollar. Okay, and then on Thursday we've got a holiday for United States. They are having Thanksgiving, so everything will be completely dead, to be honest with you. So ideally we need to kind of maybe get into 1 or 2 trades from today to tomorrow. It looks like it's a 2-day week, guys, I'll be honest. What's happening, Ritesh? How you doing, bro? Welcome to the live stream. Good to have you on the live stream, my bro. Gold's dropping nicely. What do you guys think of the music? I tried to do a little R&B vibes, but I'm not really feeling it. I might change it to something else. Let's try this. Let's get the vibes going, guys. Let's get the vibes going.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I
Okay,
said, I
so
stamp on
gold
it.
has been dropping for
In
quite
the
some time now.
plane, I lamp on it. Lele, oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I
Let's take a look
walk
at what
around
price is
with the
currently
bank
done
on it.
and how we can
Show the
potentially get
Gangnam
involved,
Style,
okay?
put the gang
So
on
at
it.
the moment, we have this
Twist my
1 minute
fingers
imbalance here,
up on a
right?
bang
We've
on it.
got, well, it's not a
Lele,
balanced
oh,
price
lele,
range.
oh,
We've
yeah.
got this balanced price range, which is the imbalance from
Tomato,
this candle's high to this
yeah.
candle's low, right? We've also got this
Tomato, yeah.
potential breaker candle forming here as well. Okay. Now, a lot of you guys don't know this, but whenever I do, well, you might know. Whenever I look for an entry or a setup, I need to understand what both ends of the spectrum of the setup could be. So if I'm going in for a sell or for a buy, can I see the reason as to why price may go against me? Okay. Now, when I zoom out, okay, what has market done so far? We've taken out Tokyo's high. Okay. Now Monday's high is actually over here, but we've taken out Tokyo's high, so the liquidity resting above there has now been grabbed. Okay. Now again, I prefer for this to actually go long, but if we can come down and take out a little bit of the liquidity from this morning, so let's say we somehow dip beneath this low, it wouldn't be bad, right? To be honest, this entry would be incredibly high risk because even looking at the DXY, it does look like it wants to break this half-hour candle. So yes, guys, if you're watching the live stream right now, don't forget to leave a like on the live stream. If you're not part of my free Telegram as of yet, I post all of this content inside of there. You can join the free Telegram with the link down below inside of the description box. Okay, whilst you're there, drop a like, drop a like. If you've got any questions, let me know inside of the chat box. Just ask me a question, guys, any question. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. But let's monitor this setup here for gold. I reckon we may have a little bit of an indecisive day for gold until the FOMC news comes out. Like, to be honest, there's a good chance gold can pull back down and then continue. There is a good chance of that happening. It's quite a heavy move to the downside. Let me take a look at AUD USD. What pairs are you guys looking at the moment? So AU is also taking out Tokyo's high, and we're currently dropping. What's GU doing? So Monday, we've also taken out Monday's daily high, right? We're dropping off of there. Okay. So here's what I'm seeing and here's what I'm understanding. Okay. Today is definitely going to be a day where we need to see if we are onside or offside. So you may have to enter a position, get it wrong before you get the next position right. Okay. Or, enter a very small position to begin with. As price starts to move in our desired direction, then we can, lot up. Right? We got more of you inside the live stream right now. Drop a like on the live stream if you're enjoying so far. Ritesh says in the chat box, yeah, I'm in a gold buy at the moment. It was in nice profit before it dropped down. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, bro, gold might keep on pushing higher, Lawyers asking me how long have I been trading? I've been trading for over 5 years, my bro. Ritesh, gold might still push up. Gold might still push up. It's got the potential to, in fact, push up. At the same time, again, I also see this setup for gold also playing out, you know? But look, let's think about it like this, right? Let's look at the fundamentals. Okay, so there's no fundamentals at the moment. I don't see anything happening with Russia or Israel or any of those countries at the moment. Because here's the thing, yeah, I'm anticipating that this may potentially just be a liquidity grab for us to actually drop lower. Because as I've said to you guys many times before, you know, London session makes a move and then New York session usually pulls back on London session's move, right? So let's just say, for example, London session from here has been bullish. New York session opens, we usually get a pullback. Now, sometimes that pullback can lead to a continuation, but in other scenarios, that can be a push up to grab liquidity and then completely reverse and target London sessions low, as an example. So this setup here might be a little bit tricky, but let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. 40 pips is sufficient. Wow, gold's really moving, guys. It's dropping lower. I was kind of hoping we would get a pullback of this area, maybe after this candle here, if we can start to pull up. But if we're not going to get that, that's perfectly fine. Oh, this, guys, to be honest, this is looking like a liquidity grab right now for gold. It looks real heavy to the downside. Real heavy to the downside. Okay, it's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame we couldn't get in for that. But it's not over. It's not over. Let's see if we can find something on GU or AUD USD. Because here's the thing, right? Even if the dollar does push up, you know, there's not a clear target above. Whereas, like, okay, cool, we're definitely targeting for X, right? The main thing that we're targeting is that weekly imbalance to the downside. So we should realistically see the dollar push down lower. I'm gonna look at this move, guys, for a potential entry if it pulls up high enough. Now forget me doing things I never do. I'm strong. Doing things I'll never do. Yeah.
You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like boom. Steady playing like properly. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Cooking on my fantasy. What they check if my that be no wrong. But it they rush, well, it be much. Now go they make my heart be the rush.
Okay. Red test says I'm in a gold buy. Okay, no, that's nothing new. Alright, cool. So I'm looking at this, guys. I'm looking at this. I am seriously looking at this trade setup. Now, I don't know if we're going to break this area here, but we're going to watch and see if we break this area here. Let's just update the Telegram, the peeps. I'm on live stream right now.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just want a semi-automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You like 100 niggas just for 100 bands.
All right.
I don't even got me 100 bands.
So we just posted that inside of the Telegram. Yeah, there is a lot of manipulation going on for sure. There is a lot of manipulation. I want to see if gold wants to break this area here. But let's see. Her lawyer says high risk, high rewards. Trust me. To be honest, yeah, we're probably just not going to break this area. Let's see. You know, if there's anything I know about gold is, look, if you've got a dead entry above, just wait for that one. But this does look quite... it's not the best, to be honest. Okay, guys, we might have to have an impulse entry for gold. We might have to take an impulse entry. What I mean by impulse entry is with the momentum of price. Right, we might have to take that. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Okay, dollar is having a slight bit of a pullback. I'm gonna set some alerts so that we're alerted when price wants to start moving. But that 1 hour imbalance looks like a very decent area for an entry. Let's see.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me.
Yeah, this might have to be an impulse entry, you know, guys. To be honest with you. Doesn't look like dollar's going to reach our targeted area for an entry.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lust too much, I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, no location. I don't want them singing, getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Get me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty.
Yeah, this might be an impulse entry, guys, so just prepare. I'm currently preparing myself whilst price is fluctuating where it's currently sitting. I believe there's going to be a move here. You know, we're going to see. Bobby Johnson. I haven't heard that tune in a minute. Okay, so with this entry, it's high risk, right? I think it's I think we should just go for this impulse. Right, let's see how this goes. Now obviously, you know, the more preferred entry is higher, but let's see how we work inside of here. Oh, so now the DXY wants to drop, huh? Okay, if the DXY drops, then we're probably going to get a move up. But what I'm wondering is why gold is just kind of stuck where it is right now. Ned says, JD, I get these pips, yo, my boy. Come on. Lois says, do you do this daily? Yeah, at least like twice a week I'll do a live stream, but if not, I might just look at it myself. Let's see what gold wants to do. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Dollar's still dropping. Okay, interesting. Okay. Let's see what the dollar wants to do, guys. That's the only thing now. Dollar is dropping, so it's not entirely the best for our move, but we're gonna play what we see at the moment. We're gonna see, because right now price is trying to decide what it wants to do here, right? So look at all this price action stuck here, you know. And when we look at other gold price action, you know, we push up, we had a slight consolidation, push up, we had another push up, we had a pullback, push up, pullback, pullback here again, and then drop. As soon as we got here, we've just kind of been stuck, right? Just been stuck in the mud. So let's just see what it wants to do. Because if price is failing to push up higher, then that's why I said we might have to enter an impulse. But if we blow through this area, then we can look a little bit higher for an entry. But you know, just so that we don't miss a potential move, you know what I mean? We're in this. We've come very close to that TP1, but price is now turning around. So let's just let gold kind of work and do its thing. I wonder. Let me see the panels. I did say to you guys I'll be entering, you know, from the trades that I'm calling on live stream. This is the account balance so far. So if we get another test, I'm gonna look to enter. Was it 250 units? Should be fine. Let's see. Even the way gold is kind of just chilling, I don't like it, guys. I'll be completely honest with you. I don't like it, you know. But I guess price is just trying to decide what it wants to do at the moment. Guys, if you're watching the live stream right now, drop a like on the live stream right now. We've just hit TP1 for gold. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Let's get some fire in the chat. About 30-ish pips in profit. Whoa, we are dropping down. That's that liquidity grab for you, boys. Yeah, that's that liquidity grab for you. Are you not entertained? Let's get some fire in the chat. Let's get some fire in the chat. Let's get some fire in the chat. Let's go. I mean, it's just getting boring now, guys. Like, I just show up on these streams, we have a good time, good vibes, we eat some pips, and then we go again tomorrow. All right, let's move your stops to entry for gold just in case it just wants to whiplash back. Yeah, let's cover the positions, guys. Yeah, we've hit TP1 and TP2, so let's just cover the positions. the fuck? Which one did I put up? This is... I'm just updating the Telegram, guys. Give me a second. 28.5. That's around. Yeah. Okay. So look, we've had pretty much the perfect wick come down. And wait, did I post that in the right Telegram? Yeah, I did. We've pretty much had a wick come smash down straight at the target, okay? Like I said to you guys, you know, at the start of the stream, Gift says, whoosh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ned says, Mr. JD gets these pips, does it again. Come on, my bro. So we've pretty much wicked that area there. Now, what do we have? The new hourly candles going to open, yeah? Let's look at a different chart. This, if we can actually close somewhere like this, right, with this candle at the moment with gold, you know, like I said to you guys earlier, it does look like a liquidity grab. We could actually push a lot lower. Let's just say targeting beneath the hourly candle of 10 a.m. 26 November. So that can be what, 26? I'm looking up here, by the way, guys, right here. So the low of this candle is 2625.22. Yeah. That should allow us to reach TP3. TP3 is 2624. It has to come down a little bit more, but we look okay. Well, we look more than okay. We're looking sexy, boy. We're looking sexy. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Guys, are you not entertained? Are you not entertained, guys? So when I tell you guys that, to be honest, I'm undervalued, I'm here with you guys pretty much on most days of the week, trading with you guys live. Who's doing this? No one's doing this. No one's looking at a trend, a trending gold market from the morning pushing up and says, you know what, I'm gonna sell this. Who does that? Tell me, guys, because I'm yet to see it. And I'm providing the whole move inside of my Telegram for free. Is the next one gonna be for free in the Telegram? I don't know. I don't think so. I've got to prioritize those who value my value. Do you understand? Gift says, Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off. Yeah, if you value my services, if you value my skill, then guys, I will look after you. It's that simple. But long story short, let me stop blabbing on because TP3's just been hit. TP3's been hit.
How about that secret family chai recipe you promised?
Yeah, big up Chachi. I don't even know what they were saying in that ad, but big her up. TP3 clapped. Alright. Just got another alert. What was that? DXY. It's pushing up. Okay, cool. So, if the dollar can hit that hourly imbalance, okay, which it looks like it can on the 5-minute time frame, we should get gold, or we should see gold hit all TPs. We should, ideally. Right, we've come down to about 80 pips prof, so that's around 2% gain. Yeah, it's around 2% gain. Okay. Gold's coming with that quick whiplash. That quick whiplash. Gift, this is your perfect time to say gold just doing gold type things. But to be honest, you could enter again, you know. It's a bit risky. It's a bit risky, but it's possible. You could enter again right where it is. I'll be honest with you guys. It's probably going to drop again. But, you know, before we enter any sales, let's see what reasons why we might be able to get into a buyer. So earlier on this morning, we had a test of this 5-minute balance to push up. And that's where price is currently tapped into. And it's given, you know, that bit of a pullback. But to be honest, Gift says gold is golden. Trust me. To be honest. Oh, gold is golden. Gold is golden. Last line of defense. This is okay. This puts a bit of a span in the works because look at this hourly candle at the moment. To be honest, if we come back to entry, we got 2% out of this move. You know what I mean? Can't complain. But so the next question is, I can't lie, guys. This first entry we had now becomes viable. Right? The reason why I say it becomes more viable now is because if we're looking at the structure, this is tough. This is actually tough, guys. Okay, so look, hopefully we don't get tapped out of this, right? If we don't, you should have been taking partials along the way anyways. You know, there's only so much I can hold your hand, guys. Come on. You know what I mean? If we look at it from a bullish perspective, okay, we've come to at least 50% of the fib swing. Okay, we've come to at least 50% of the fib swing, so it's actually, you know, warranted, or it's fine if it actually wants to push up. Right? On the flip side, if we look at the structure, right, prices just closed beneath not just this low, and this low as well. Okay, so as I always say, when market structure is broken, we expect imbalance to be filled. Right? Now, the imbalance that I'm going to anticipate is this one on the 5-minute here, if we get high enough. But if we don't, that's also okay. Do you know what I mean? But to be honest, the way that we've closed above this high here, this can definitely start rassing it to the upside. Dollar, okay, you might be pushing up. Okay, that's good. That's real nice. EU's pushing up. AU's also pushing up. There was a slight imbalance play here on AUD-USD. AUD-USD, sorry guys, on the 5-minute time frame. I did see this earlier, but I didn't mark it out. This can definitely take out this low here. That's quite an easy target for AU. You know, it can probably push all the way down to the low of Tokyo. You know, that's quite a pretty decent R&R trade there. Euro USD. What could EU do? EU can come for this low for sure as a near-term target. You know, nothing too extravagant. What happened to my chill Afrobeat type of vibe and music? Now it's just gone out the window. Okay, Bitcoin is still dropping. To be honest, I'm not even surprised. There's two setups here for Bitcoin. Yeah, I can't lie. This entry here up top becomes a little bit more valid. It becomes a little bit more valid. But let's see. To be honest, I'll be honest with you guys. A lot of the direction that the directional bias, sorry, that I'm going to have myself is going to be how this candle closes. You know, I would have preferred if we had more of an engulfing candle, but remember, what was my target for this gold trade? If we can close or take out 10 a.m.'s low and work inside this imbalance, and we've done that. So even if this does reverse, I'm happy with it, right? I think we might have to start looking at higher prices for gold. I'll be honest with you. I think we might have to start looking at higher prices. So it's 2 p.m. And we're done. I'm pretty sure we're done. Okay, so I'm probably gonna call the stream here, and then I'll see you guys later. In how many hours? 14, 19, so 3 will be 17. 5 hours. Lawyer's asking if I got a signal group. Yeah, bro. Just join my Telegram. The link to the free Telegram's in the description box down below, so you can join it there. Obviously, if you want the paid version, you can just send me a message on Telegram, yeah, bro, and we can talk about it. I've got some 50% sales on for Black Friday, so definitely take advantage of it. But so far, we've come, we've seen, we've had a little bite of breakfast. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Any other updates I'll put inside the Telegram, and yeah, hopefully I can see more of you inside of the live stream later on this evening. Whoosh.